how to sign up for the Awin affiliate program for Nike. Hey guys, today we've got an exciting tutorial for you. We'll be showing you how to sign up for the Awin affiliate program specially for Nike. If you are interested in earning commissions by promoting Nike products, you are in the right place. Let's get started. First, let's briefly introduce Awin. Awin is one of the largest affiliate marketing networks in the world, connecting advertisers with publishers like you to promote product and earn commission. Before we dive into the sign up process, make sure you have a website or platform where you can plan to promote Nike products. Basic contact information, tax detail as you'll need to provide this for payment. As you can see this interface on my screen, you can easily access it by clicking the link in my description box. Once you click the link, you will land on this page. Then you need to click on sign up and join program. Click on join Awin. Then you'll be taken to a registration form. Fill in your personal information including your name, email address and password. Make sure your password is secure. Then click on next step. Select your primary region. Click on next step. Next, you'll need to provide your tax details. This information is necessary for tax reporting purpose. Be sure to fill it out accurately. Awin will send you a verification email to confirm your registration. Once you've received it, click the verification link. Then carefully read and accept the terms and conditions for the Awin publisher agreement. After you have completed your registration, it's time to search for the Nike affiliate program within the Awin dashboard. Click Advertiser Directory and search for Nike. When you find it, click on Join Program. Your application to the Nike affiliate program will be reviewed by Awin and Nike themselves. Approval usually takes some time, so be patient. Once you're approved, you can access Nike's promotional material and start earning commissions by promoting their product on your website platform. And there you have it. You are now signed up for the Awin affiliate program for Nike. Remember to create high quality content and use effective marketing strategies to maximize your earning. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more affiliate marketing tips. Thanks for watching and happy affiliate marketing.